So on this quiz, I missed quite a few. Actually, I was surprised. I missed 4 questions. So I just want to go through those and explain how I understand now the answers. So which of the following are not attitudes and approaches commonly associated with computational thinking? Select all that apply. I just missed some. I think I just didn't read through the question clearly enough, but I do understand that design thinking and data mining are also, oh, I got data mining, but technological literacy are also part of the attitudes and approaches not commonly associated with computational thinking, even though that might be a thought, but that the main things are this flexibility and tinkering, preserving, creating, and collaborating. And that is the purpose of computational thinking, as well as that computational thinking is something that applies to all areas of life, not just specific work with computers, which I think is what the heart of this question is. Then going back down, I struggled most with the algorithm design versus abstraction. I missed that a couple of times down here. But I do now understand, because the abstraction is more about breaking it down in a way that is portrayable, that you can understand. And algorithm design is the actual carrying out and step-by-step procedure of that. And so in this question, that a computer program creates a chess game that makes moves in response, this is not a step-by-step instruction layout. So it would not be an algorithm design, but rather an abstraction, because this is the basic plan and how the computer program can visualize this approach taking place. And this is the same thing as the musician that is composing a song. That does not reflect an algorithm design, because again, it is not the step-by-step guide or way that the musician completes this, but rather an abstract design or representation of his or her feelings. And I think that, yep, that was all of the ones that I missed. And so I feel better now about understanding those.